Looking at a tornado warned Supercell right now. It is moving at 60 miles per hour, so I can't stay here very long. But that's the wall cloud right there. Very low to the ground. Well, there it is. The Supercell, the kind of the forward flank push right here, and then we're just gonna drive right under the wall cloud, which is starting to fall apart. Right there it is. You can see it kind of occluded back in there a little bit and still in the rain. It's not looking too impressive anymore. Starting to gust out now. Hell yeah, a lot of wind. A lot of rain too. Yeah, it just gusted out on us.